we've done, and now you just lift this out. How clean is this? Like really and truly, if you didn't want to wash it, you probably could get by with that, just saying. And then this is your rice. This was 2 cups of rice, James?
Yes, ma'am.
And 3 cups
2.5.
2.5 cups of water. How about that? So we're just going to take it right over here and serve right out of this one. This is our Crockpot, or our MP5, that's got ravioli and meatballs in here. Look how beautiful this is. How pretty is that? Yes? I mean, it's great if you're taking it to church on Sunday, if you're having a party. Anything where you've just got to serve food. I mean, it's quick, it's simple, it's easy. And you can just spoon that over a bed of rice. Put your rice out and spoon that over it if you want to. And then we've got our lasagna in this big 15-inch mega skillet. And we're just going to show you guys how that looks. How pretty is that? It smells really delicious, I can tell you. Okay, so we've got that over here. How about?
All right, guys. Ooh,
Yeah.
wow.
All right. So that will sit there. And we have done a Black Forest cake.
You know, this steak's so tender, I think I'll keep it from Zoe.
This is the Black Forest cake. Oh, show them that. This is the steak, the New York strip steak.
Ooh.
Yeah. Now you guys are getting it. And this is the Black Forest cake. We also give these things away if you're on Facebook with us. And it moves wherever you go. And how pretty is that? I can even smell the allspice. I shouldn't say that I'm vegan. Alright, so we've got that right there. Anybody got any questions at all? If you'll move that toward that way, off of this little track here, that'd be great. So, one more thing. Oh, we do have coleslaw in the freezer. We were about to forget that. How cool is that? Coleslaw in a freezer. Who would have thought? Yeah, that just chills that bowl. This is a hot or cold bowl for whichever way you want to use it. And then we're finished.